Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to properly use your dry shampoo, and today I'll be using Pantene Pro V. Step 1 is to shake it up. Step 2, we're going to take our hair section by section and spray from a distance at our roots, and that's going to trap all that dirt and oil. For step 3, you can leave it in overnight if you remember to do this before bed. Otherwise, wait a minimum of 2 minutes and anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. This is important. A lot of people don't realize this step and move on to step 4. Step 4 now, I've waited 5 minutes, so I'm going to rub it all in. This is the fun part. It's like a nice massage. Step 5. Now we're going to brush to distribute the powder. It smells so nice. And I just throw in the tip right here. If you're brushing to detangle your hair in general, always brush from the bottom and get all the tangles out from here, and then work your way up. Don't start from the top, or else you're going to create a nice big clump that's even harder to take out. So for my final step before I start styling, I'm going to use this dry conditioner mist. You hold it away about 6 to 8 inches from your hair, and it's for your mid-lengths to the ends of your hair. And also don't forget to shake it before you begin. I'm going to help let it do its magic and start giving me that volume that I love before it starts styling it. Now you can also say you know how to properly use dry shampoo. So thank you for watching, and I am loving the volume in my hair. Yes. Bye.